Why does my HVAC system sound like a helicopter? It usually means a loose part, a failing motor, or a fan problem that needs quick attention. That loud chopper sound can happen when air is rushing through a blocked filter, a bent fan blade is hitting something, or a blower motor is wearing out and shaking the unit. Sometimes the sound comes from the outdoor unit when the fan is wobbling because a screw is loose, or the bearings are tired. A dirty filter can make the system work harder, and that extra strain can turn a small noise into a big one. One thing many people do not know is that vibration can travel through metal ducts, so the noise may seem far away even when the real problem is one small moving part. If the sound starts suddenly, turn the system off and look for anything obvious like loose panels, debris, or ice around the unit. If you hear clanking, scraping, or grinding, that usually means a part is rubbing where it should not. The safest move is to shut it down and call a technician before a small issue breaks the motor or fan blade. A common mistake is thinking every loud noise means the whole system is dying, when sometimes it is just a dirty filter or a loose access panel. Another thing to watch is ignoring the sound because the system still cools or heats, since running it that way can make a small repair much more expensive. People also forget that outdoor debris, like sticks or leaves, can get pulled into the unit and create a helicopter-like roar. A good habit is to check the filter every month. Keep the area around the outdoor unit clear, and listen for any new vibration right after the system starts. If the sound changes when the fan speed changes, that is a clue the problem is in the blower or fan assembly. If the sound gets louder over time, do not wait, because moving parts usually get worse, not better. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.